Hi guys. I just wanted to do a quick update. My last video came out terrible. That's the one where I was walking through the nature preserve. The sounds of me walking, and I could hear myself breathing in the video. I loved it. I love it when I can hear someone's, breath behind the camera. Anyways, the kind of sounds would have put me to sleep. The quality of the video is, I understand, it's crap. And that's what happens if you don't have the proper equipment to film with. But I still put it up because I really did like the sounds. I got a couple things going on today. One, I'm heading to the plastic surgeon to take my daughter in. She's getting some laser treatments done. And while I'm there, I wear retainers because I had braces on my teeth for about 3 years. And I wear retainers every night. I probably spent $10,000 to $15,000 on my teeth. And because I'm grinding, I grind so much. And the grinding had cracked 2 teeth. I had severe neck pain. I've had 6 spinal surgeries, one of which, the scar you can see right here. And the doctor was amazing. He put it in the crease. So as I get older and this, gets more wrinkly, you won't be able to tell it's a scar. Anyways, they got a procedure out I'm very interested in. And they use Botox and they inject it into the masseter muscles here. And what Botox does is it depletes the muscle. It doesn't kill off the muscle. It just depletes it. It paralyzes it. And because the muscle can't move, the more you use it, the bigger it gets. And because they paralyze it, it goes from being like this to just kind of like this. And that's why they do it right here. These lines right here are called your 11 lines. It's from squinting. You get these 11s right here. They paralyze that so you can't squint. Thus, you don't get those wrinkles. Anyways, I'm going to see how much it is today to get that done. Not saying I'm going to get it done today. One, I didn't make an appointment. This appointment's for my daughter. I don't know if you can see that. My halo light's blinking. See if I can get rid of that. There. Oh, it's got some kind of problems. There it goes again. Let's see if I can get rid of that. There. Just doing it again. There's not much you can do to it. I like the light itself. It holds my camera. It puts a light directly on your face. I think they call it a ring light. I call it a halo light because it puts little halos in your eyes. My son told me. He's a cameraman. So he recommended this for me. But anyways, if they let me do that today, and it's inexpensive, you know what I'm saying, I might try to film it and get it done. I haven't been doing a lot of videos this last week because I wasn't feeling good. I've been feeling really lethargic and I'm just busy. My son's in college and I have one vehicle, which means I'm transporting everybody. One day I made 8 trips to that college. I got a favor to ask. Hey, please do it. YouTube has a thing where they say, ask your subscribers to help make your channel known. And how they did it was to ask your subscribers to put up their favorite video of you and to post it on their Facebook page. So I am doing just that. If you have a favorite video of me, I'm messing with this light, it keeps blinking. If you will pick it out, put it up on your Facebook page, and see if I can get some more subscribers. when I got only 1,700 views, I'm lucky if I do about $50 a month. That's it. With that kind of money, I don't make enough to buy the camera gear I need, things like that. I'm filming on my phone right now, which you probably understands the last video. I got 2 videos that are coming up. One I'm going to do is a hair video, hair care. You notice my hair's grown out from my last one. I like to wear my hair kind of wild with my glasses on. Can't wear glasses with this light though. I'll show you why. See the halos on the glasses? Look like a bug, like a big fly. Anyways, these are my bifocals. That's why you see me wearing them so much. You know, someone's asked me, why don't you wear your contact lenses some more often? One of those lenses are about $300 for a 3-month package. And although I do wear them, they're disposables. You wear them one day, take them out, throw them away. Easy peasy. I have severe dry eyes, and so those are the only contacts that work for me. I can wear them and ditch them the same night. But it's too expensive to wear my contacts all the time. I wear them when I need to. Mostly I wear these glasses. And quite frankly, another benefit to these glasses, besides they're my bifocals and everything, you can't tell if I'm wearing makeup or not. And if I'm feeling lazy, I'll put these on. I don't have to wear my makeup. There's one more thing. I got my little note card here. But if you do that for me, if you pick out your favorite video of me, whatever it is, put it up on your Facebook page, and let's see if I get some more subscribers. I think I've had my channel up since, I want to say 2012, 2013, something like that. It's been a lot of years, and I've only got 1,700, or 17, yes, a little over 1,700 subscribers. But in order to make it worthwhile and to pay out, I need more subscribers equal more money. That last video taught me a lesson too. I put it up there. I shouldn't be posting this, but I am. That was the name of it. Because the video was crap. You know, the visual of the video was crap, but the audio was amazing. And so that was the title I gave it. Bing, within like 3 minutes, that thing got demonetized. I went back, changed the name of the video to, you know, Nature Preserve Walk, Hike. And within 7 hours, maybe 12 at the most, got remonetized. How do they have the people and the manpower to sit there and you know, look over every stinking little channel? It just amazes me. Anyways, so Facebook. My other thing is, someone sent me a really good request. I think his name is James. I'll double check that. He said, can you do a suitcase packing video like you are leaving to go on a trip? You're going to go meet a friend. He would like me to, you know, dedicate it to him. I can't do that. But I can make it sound like I am definitely going to go meet a friend, you know, packing on a trip, which isn't far from the truth, because I was supposed to go to Michigan and things got canceled. But I have at least 2 to 3 dresses that I would love to try on and kind of do for the camera. I think they call them clothing hauls or whatever. And try those on. These have the tags on them. But one is my Easter dress, which I'm going to wear this Sunday. But I'd like to do that and do the packing video. Gosh, that was an amazing, the more I thought about it, I was, you know, typing out to him. I said, that's a good idea. I'd love to do that. So that's what I'm going to do. Do a packing video. And, just say, I'm, going to meet someone special. And I can't wait to meet them, kind of thing. So I do thank you for that suggestion. And I will dedicate it to you in my description. I will make sure I got your right name. I will type out your name and say, so-and-so suggested this. My other thing, if you do me a favor and put up a video of me on your YouTube, or on your Facebook, not on your YouTube channel, do it on your Facebook page. I will open up my comments that you can list your YouTube channel on mine. I have subscribed to a lot of my own subscribers. I don't do a tit for tat kind of thing, but I'll go. If someone subscribes to me and I can see how many subscribers they got, and it says this person has 300 subscribers, I'll click on it and say, what's this channel about? Go, if I like it, I subscribe. And I'm very honest about it. I'll tell them, I love your channel, and I subscribed. Some of my favorite ASMR artists are on there, but most of the people I subscribe to are vloggers. I love listening to people talk. It helps me sleep. Not that you're boring, but I love, some people have a voice that you just love listening to. It's relaxing, it's monotone. Some of them are Christian artists, which I love. It's just different things. Some are travelers, and they talk about where they go and what they see and do. I'm all into that. I kind of have a multi-purpose when I'm on YouTube. I mean, I go back and forth from I don't watch just one genre of YouTube. YouTube has a hard time keeping up with me because in the recommendations, I got things from here to Z, A to Z. But I will leave that open. Feel free to promote your channel. In return, I ask that pick up whatever your favorite video of mine is and put it up on your Facebook page. Share it on your Facebook. And before this video gets way too long, I can't even see without my glasses. 12 minutes. Easy peasy. I could talk for like 12 hours. I got to get ready to go. I got a few things I got to do. I got to change. But look forward to that suitcase packing video, and then I'm doing a hair video. And my dog's growling. And if they let me film today, and I can get this done. Also, I want to tell you, if it works, I'll let you know too. I'll do an update on it. It takes a few weeks for Botox to really make a difference. But if it helps me stop grinding my teeth, it could help you. Grinding in and of itself isn't bad, except for it'll snap your teeth. And like I said, I've had 2 breaks already, and they were in the same spot. The same tooth here, same tooth over here. I had to have implants. One was so bad, I had to have a cadaver bone put in. This one didn't, but this one needed a new bone, cadaver bone put in. It's not as bad as it sounds, but it's kind of weird. Put someone else's dead bone in there. You think I'm a nurse, I could just, accept it and move on. I have one in my neck too, so I'm going to heaven and dragging 2 people with me. One day be blessed. End up in heaven. Never thought I'd get here. Well, you got here. It won't happen like that, but you know what I'm saying. I'm joking. Anyways, I gotta go. I've got so much to do today. I've got a few people that do keep suggesting mopping videos. I'm done with that. Those mopping videos are not getting much hits. And I know you love them, but I got to put a stop to things that are just not getting hits. And so I'm really going over my channel well. I'll be revamping it a little and I'm doing videos that are getting the most hits. I will always do vlogs whether they get hits or not. I think they're needed for channels now and then, and because I love vlogs so much, not necessarily my own vlogs, but other people's. Anyways, I'm going to let you go. I want you to have a great day, have a blessed day, and enjoy the weather. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.